Welcome to SAP S/4HANA for beginners. Learn SAP overview step by step. This course will help you to get started in SAP and develop an overview about SAP. The goal of this course is to teach participants basic navigation and system fundamentals. This course aims to provide a basic process overview of purchase to pay, plan to produce, order to cash, record to report, and recruit to retire business processes. Another objective is to familiarize the participants with embedded analytics, SAP best practices, and SAP Activate. Let's now review the course scope. I intend to cover the basic processes with easy to follow step-by-step demonstrations. This is a basic SAP overview course which is designed for anyone who wants to start learning and using SAP S/4HANA and looking forward to developing a high-level process understanding of various business processes in an enterprise. This course covers the basic business process in purchase to pay, plan to produce, order to cash, record to report, and recruit to retire with short step-by-step demonstrations. This course also provides you basic overview on embedded analytics, SAP best practices, and SAP Activate to help you to get started in the SAP journey. In just 6 hours, you will learn all the essentials of SAP S/4HANA through theory, case study, examples, and with over 4 hours of demonstrations. This took me months to learn through multiple formal courses and many years of SAP project implementations. This course is both case study based and demonstration based. The demonstrations included in this course are based on SAP S/4HANA 2020 using SAP Easy Access and SAP Fiori. SAP is only committed to supporting SAP ERP until 2027, and there is an enormous opportunity coming up for SAP S/4HANA skills. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started with SAP S/4HANA. See you in the course.